KeepKey wallet versus Jaxx Liberty wallet. Which crypto wallet is better? Links to both products can be found in the description. In this video, we'll compare these two wallets based on features, usability, security, and target audiences to help you decide which one suits your needs. KeepKey Wallet is a hardware wallet built for maximum security. It supports over 40 cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin, making it a strong choice for users with diverse portfolios. Its sleek design, durable build, and large screen make it user-friendly, especially when verifying transactions. KeepKey integrates with Shapeshift, enabling in-wallet exchanges without relying on external platforms. Its offline storage and PIN protection provide robust security, but its lack of Bluetooth or mobile integration means it's better suited for desktop users who value security over mobility. Jaxx Liberty Wallet, on the other hand, is a software wallet known for its versatility and multi-platform support. It supports over 80 cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and numerous altcoins, making it ideal for users with a wide range of assets. The wallet is available on mobile, desktop, and browser extensions, providing flexibility for on-the-go management. Its built-in portfolio tracker and in-app exchange make asset management simple. However, being a hot wallet, it's more susceptible to online threats than hardware wallets, though it offers features like a 12-word backup phrase for account recovery. Your choice depends on your priorities. KeepKey Wallet is perfect for users who prioritize security and don't mind managing their crypto on a desktop. It's an excellent choice for long-term holders or those new to hardware wallets, offering simplicity and peace of mind. Jaxx Liberty Wallet, on the other hand, is best for users who want a flexible, multi-platform solution with access to a wide range of cryptocurrencies. It's ideal for active traders or those who need a wallet that works seamlessly across devices. In summary, KeepKey is for security-focused users who prefer a hardware wallet, while Jaxx Liberty caters to those who prioritize versatility and ease of use. Let us know in the comments which wallet meets your needs.